Hello? Hello? You alright? I don't know. I think we should phone an ambulance.
I think he's been drinking.
Oh, I can smell it. Hello? You going to wake up?
Bloody idiot! You bloody idiot.
Take it easy,
I
take it
do,
easy.
yeah. You know.
Did you see what he did?
Yeah.
No, well... Hey, pack that in!
All right, leave him.
I think we'd better phone an ambulance. Someone phone an ambulance.
Bloody idiot.
Yeah, well, don't be kicking. It's not going to do any good, is it?
Doing that, is it?
Are you alright?
I just don't believe you guys. After
Can
what
you
he's just
can
done.
you hear us?
Ambulance.
Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
For the road.
Do you think you can stand up?
Taking out a load of bloody people, couldn't he?
Look,
Yeah,
is he compass
Yeah,
mentis? I mean,
come on,
can he speak to us? Can he speak?
He's not responding now.
He looks. Look at his eyes.
Can he?
Yeah, he doesn't look too good, does he?
Crazy.
His head's done in a bit, isn't it?
Alright, well, maybe don't scare him, like, you know.
Tom.
Oh,
You tell him that
idiot
his
needs
brain's
taking
hanging
out,
out
quite
over
honestly. I mean,
You
see
don't
what he's
know
done?
you
You
don't
see
know
what
what
he's
the
done?
circumstances are yet, do you? So, you
oh,
know.
can you not smell the circumstances?
Well,
Has
can
he
you
got a
just keep
pulse?
your voice
Has
down?
he got a
Because,
pulse?
well, I think so, the way he's moving his head.
Hang on.
He doesn't look well, does he?
Has he got a pulse?
Yeah, he has got a pulse.
What did the ambulance say? How long's the ambulance going to be?
It'll be here in 5. Should be here in 5, she said. It'll be as
Do you
soon
think-
as possible.
Do you think he's going to be
Do you think
alright?
he's been drinking? Look at his,
I don't
look at his
know.
eyes.
It's,
Do you think he's
It's
going to be
Can you
alright?
talk? Can you talk to us?
No, he's well, look, you must be...
he's past it.
He's on the booze.
I mean, you can smell the bloody booze
Look,
on
yes,
him.
but there's
I mean,
nothing we can do about that now. The ambulance is on his way, so stop getting all irate with him.
are you kidding me?
Well,
Bloody
at least
of
he's
course
going to
I'm
be
irate.
alright, isn't he?
He looks rough to me.
He might be all right, but what about her?